Imagine indulging in a perfectly cooked filet mignon, tender and juicy, right in your own home. This video will show you how to create a restaurant-quality filet mignon using a simple stovetop-to-oven method that delivers consistent, mouth-watering results every time. The secret to this filet mignon recipe lies in its simplicity. By searing the steak on the stovetop and finishing it in the oven, you achieve that coveted brown crust while maintaining a perfectly cooked interior. This method is not only easy, but also allows you to control the doneness to your exact preference. Before we dive into the cooking process, let's talk about selecting the perfect filet mignon. Look for steaks that are at least 1.5 inches thick, with 2 inches being ideal. Choose high-quality beef, preferably grated choice or prime. While filet mignon is naturally lean, a bit of marbling can enhance flavor and juiciness. For seasoning, all you need is salt and pepper. The beauty of filet mignon lies in its tender texture and subtle flavor, so there's no need for complex marinades or spice rubs. To complement the steak, we'll also prepare a simple garlic herb butter using unsalted butter, fresh rosemary, thyme, and minced garlic. Now let's cook our filet mignon. Start by bringing the steaks to room temperature and patting them dry with paper towels. Season generously with salt and pepper on both sides. Heat an oven-safe skillet, preferably cast iron, over medium-high heat and add a bit of butter or oil. Sear the steaks for about 2 minutes per side, creating a beautiful brown crust. Then transfer the skillet to a preheated oven to finish cooking. The exact time will depend on your desired doneness and the thickness of your steaks. For a perfect medium-rare 2-inch thick filet, aim for 5 to 6 minutes in the oven, or until the internal temperature reaches 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Always use a meat thermometer for accuracy, as cooking times can vary. Once your steaks reach the desired temperature, remove them from the oven and let them rest for 5 minutes. This crucial step allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring maximum tenderness and flavor. While the steaks are resting, top them with a dollop of the prepared garlic herb butter, allowing it to melt and infuse the meat with additional flavor. When you're ready to serve, slice the filet mignon against the grain for the most tender bite. Pair your perfectly cooked steak with your favorite sides, such as roasted vegetables or a crisp salad, for a truly memorable meal. With this simple yet effective method, you can enjoy steakhouse-quality filet mignon in the comfort of your own home, saving money while impressing your family and guests with your culinary skills.